Trypophobia, pronounced trypophobia, is an irrational aversion, or repulsion, to the sight of repetitive patterns, or clusters, of small holes or bumps. People with trypophobia don't necessarily have a fear of holes or bumps, only when they appear in patterns or clusters. The name trypophobia was first introduced on a web forum in 2005, combining the Greek words trypa, which means hole, and phobos, meaning fear or aversion. Symptoms of trypophobia include goosebumps, chills, dry mouth, rapid breathing, quickened heart rate, nausea, and feelings of fear or disgust. Trypophobia is not scientifically recognized as a specific phobia despite affecting 10% to 18% of people, and research in this area remains limited. Here we list and rank 12 things found in nature that will trigger your deepest fears, from mild to downright disturbing. You've been warned. For the really brave and curious, make sure you watch through to the very end, if you dare. Number 12. Honeycombs. Honeybees create hexagonal honeycombs to store honey, pollen, and house larvae. The pattern maximizes storage space for honey and larvae while using minimal wax and provides strong, stable support for the structure. Honeycombs are healthy and edible. Would you like to try some with your next dessert? Number 11. Bell peppers, also called capsicum or paprika. These are colorful, tasty fruits with thick, juicy walls. Inside, they have dense seed clusters nestled in the center. The sight of these seed clusters can be slightly unsettling. For some people, it's like seeing a swarm of something right inside your salad ingredient. Number 10. Fern tree spores. Fern trees don't produce seeds like other plants. Instead, they reproduce through spores. These spores grow in dense clusters on the underside of fronds and are released into the air. When they land in a suitable environment, they begin to germinate and grow into new ferns once fertilized. Fern tree spores are like nature's creepy confetti, but probably not the kind you want falling on you at a party. Number 9. Frog eggs. Frogs reproduce through external fertilization. Female frogs lay eggs in water where they are then fertilized by the male. Frog eggs are small, translucent, and typically form in clusters, each surrounded by a jelly-like substance. Who else think these look like clusters of tiny, squishy eyeballs straight from a horror movie? Number 8. Pomegranates. These nutritious fruits with a tough outer skin and clusters of juicy seeds inside. Pomegranates have a sweet tart flavor, with juicy, crunchy seeds that offer a refreshing mix of sweetness and mild acidity. Packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, pomegranates are tasty and refreshing. Number 7. Lotus seed pods are the seed-bearing structures of the lotus flower. They have a distinctive appearance with numerous small holes, each containing a seed. For those with trypophobia, lotus seed pods show that even the most beautiful flowers can have a creepy side. Number 6. Freshwater drumfish are medium-sized fish found in North American rivers and lakes. They have molar-like pharyngeal teeth located in their throat. These teeth are designed for crushing prey with hard shells, such as mollusks and crustaceans. Who wants whole-baked fish for dinner? Number 5. Barnacles. These are small, hard-shelled marine crustaceans that attach themselves to surfaces like rocks and ship hulls. Barnacles grow in tight clusters and have a rough textured appearance featuring numerous small holes. For many of us landlubbers, barnacles are the disturbing version of a group hug. Number 4. Woodpecker granary trees. A granary tree isn't actually a specific species of tree. Instead, it refers to trees that have been turned into storage sites. In particular, acorn woodpeckers create their own acorn pantry by drilling small holes in tree bark and storing acorns in them. Over time, these trees end up covered with many holes and acorns. Woodpeckers turning trees into acorn-filled granaries might be nature's cutest little hoarders, but for some people, it's like a woodland version of 1,000 tiny eyes staring back at you. Number 3. Giant water bugs, also known as toe biters, are large aquatic insects found in freshwater habitats. Female giant water bugs lay their eggs on the backs of males, who carry them until they hatch. These giant male water bugs prove that real dads will carry the weight, even if it's a little disturbing to look at. Number 2. Pitted keratolysis is a bacterial skin infection that usually affects the soles of the feet and sometimes the palms. It causes small, crater-like pits in the skin, which can cluster together and create a disturbing, irregular pattern. Who is thinking about Swiss cheese right now? Number 1. Now, are you ready to find out what we think is the number 1 most disturbing thing in nature that can trigger trypophobia? Surinam toads, also known as pippa. These toads are native to South American rainforests, and have a flat, triangular appearance. Their unique reproduction involves males embedding fertilized eggs into the female's back, where skin grows over them to protect the eggs. By carrying her babies on her back, the mother toad shields her young from predators and harsh environmental conditions. Parents will understand what it feels like when the kids get under their skin. So, do you agree with our rankings? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please leave a comment, or give a thumbs up and remember to hit subscribe.